Yes, people, this is your girl Aleisha Lee and welcome back to another episode of Motivational Lee. On this week's episode, as we continue the 48 Laws of Power series, we look at Law 27. Play on people's need to believe to create a cult-like following. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date each and every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get into this. Law 27 states, people have an overwhelming desire to believe in something. Become the focal point of such desire by offering them a cause, a new faith to follow. We're getting deeper, we're getting darker into these 48 laws of power. Now, what this law is basically saying is give people something to believe in. Give them a reason to believe. And I think it just plays upon the human need for community, connection, and I think it definitely plays on that emotion. I think the whole essence of life is to learn how to be interdependent. We as human beings are not independent. We'll never be independent because even when it comes down to food, we're dependent on companies or people that provide food, and they're dependent on suppliers, and it's just a massive system where we are interdependent. People need to believe in something, and by you becoming that main focal point for them, it gives you that power because people will believe in you. The law also goes on to say, in the absence of organized religion and grand causes, your new belief system will bring you untold power. And it's true in a sense where you see that, for example, there are a lot of celebrities that have a lot of power, and some people will even call them, their fans, cult-like, or because they have this overwhelming power where people believe in their message so much that they're willing to do things for them. Sometimes in some cases that they don't even ask them to do. They're willing to go above and beyond because they have so much belief in that person. They respect that person so much and they want to do it. Having that kind of power and people believing in you, it does create a cult-like following, and we see it all the time. But yes, people, that is a summary of Law 27. Play on people's need to believe to create a cult-like following. And that is basically saying that play on people's, human desire to want to be a part of something. If you play on that, you will garner a following quicker than you can even know. In the next video, we will look at Law 28. Enter action with boldness. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date when that video drops. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about playing on people's need to believe in something. We see it all the time, everywhere. It's more common than you think, or you might not have even looked at it in that kind of way. What are your thoughts? Let us know down below. But yes, people, make sure you have a great week. Stay blessed, enjoy yourselves, and I'll catch you in the next video. Dunno, boy.
People don't know, I just want to enjoy